Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world.
Ever wonder how you can make $100 a day? Now, this sounds like a clickbait. But trust me, it's not. It is really possible in trading cryptocurrency even as a beginner. With thousands of altcoins arising in the market right now, it might be difficult to choose which coins to trade. If you're interested in trading coins, I'll demonstrate how you can choose the best coins to trade, detect patterns on several websites, and chart them. I'll be introducing you to two different websites that are necessary to find the right coin to invest on. First and foremost, we have CoinMarketCap, which summarizes the data of various cryptocurrencies in the market, where you can view their price fluctuations as well as some information about them. The features in this website are accessible and easy to comprehend. One of the best features in CoinMarketCap is you may sort and filter the data by either 24 hours or 7 days. For instance, the 3.73% in Unius said, Leo is the greatest in the recent 24 hours. This just proves that Leo has the best returns. But looking at the 7-day returns, eCash, Helium, and Chainlink are the ones in the spotlight. Contrastingly, we can also view the losses. Whereas Avalanche, Internet Computer, and Axie Infinity seem to be rounding out the top 3 in the last 24 hours. The highest loss was around 12.72% by Avalanche. But for the past 7 days, Convex Finance holds the biggest loss at 11.84%. And Axie Infinity remains in the top 3 downturners, followed by Stephen, Elrond, Internet Computer, Avi, Solana, Near Protocol, and so on. These downturners could signify an excellent time to purchase. Aside from looking at the up and down trends, you should also take into consideration the volume. What we want to look at are the ones that have a volume that's about 30 to 50 million minimum. It is up to you to get in and out of transactions depending on the amount of money you're using to trade. However, if the volume is low, it will be more difficult to exit the trade even if you earn a lot of money. That's it for the first website, CoinMarketCap. Just look for the coin that you want to deal in. Moving on to the second website of the day, we have CryptoBubbles.net. It adds some levity to the experience by presenting the crypto data inside interactive bubbles. Here, you may choose to view the data per hour, day, week, month, or a year. Clicking on a bubble brings you to a pop-up link showing the statistics of that particular coin. During the past hour, we can notice the biggest green bubble dash with an uptrend of 2.5%. Still, the few green bubbles are overpowered by the number of red bubbles or downtrend at the hour. On the other hand, when we choose the day option, we can see that there are a lot of more red bubbles present and only one green in sight, which is Leo, up by 3.6%. As we filter the data by the week, there are still more downtrends, but also some new green ones like eCash up by 11.7%, Helium up to 10.7%, Chainlink and Bitcoin SV both up by 2.9%. When we go into the month, there are still more red ones and only one green, which is Chain with an overwhelming 90.4% high. Finally, filtering it by the year, we can see that more bubbles arise like Gala up by a staggering 699%, GMT up by 520%, Axie Infinity up by 345%, Sandbox up 305%, and so on. The market is always erratic and you should always check up on the coin statistics.
Remember that gains are not constant. One day, you might make higher gains, while another day, you'll have losses. But the point is, if you are trading with enough assets, you can make up to $100 a day on average. Always be vigilant and invest wisely.
That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.